Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about investment in stocks. And the reason why I'm talking about investment in stocks is because I received a lot of direct messages asking me to do this particular video, and especially because stock market is somewhere where you could potentially make a lot of money. And if you follow my videos, you would know that I've been talking a lot about cryptocurrencies and stock investments based on cryptocurrencies. In my video of yesterday, I spoke about subscribing to IPO. So the whole purpose is to give you a sense on how you could potentially make money by investing in stock markets. So that's the purpose of this video. And I'm going to talk a few points here. Let me tell you, the points are not new. There's been somebody who's spoken about it. It's who's a very popular personality in the investment world. Please try and know and understand what I'm talking about, because it's almost like a refreshment of mind before you dive into the investment world. So before much ado, let's talk about it. But again, before that, my request to you, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my experience, knowledge, and research and my videos. So let's talk about it. So before we dive in, as you know, I have a free ebook. The ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur, what challenges I faced and how I came over those challenges and became a successful entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. And in this book, I've also put in 3 worksheets to gauge your mind, to check how close you are to becoming a successful entrepreneur. You could score yourself and see where you stand. The cool thing is I scored myself, and you would know how much I scored, and how successful I became as an entrepreneur. The ebook is available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I will put it in the description box below. So all you have to do is to put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the book. Now let's talk about the topic. First, what are the benefits of investing in stocks? First benefit, potential to earn more on your investments. Very true. Any investment you do is with the intention to make more money. Now, stock market has obviously, and investment in stock market obviously has the potential to make money, just like any other investment. 2, ability to protect your wealth from inflation. And why do I say that? Is because when inflation hits, you can actually square out and make more money, especially when you have bought it at a lower price. So even if the company has been hit by inflation, the increase in value of your stock is multifold, and that's where you make money. Some stocks provide dividends, hence this is a possibility to earn regular passive income from these dividends. We all know that. In today's online world, the ease of buying and selling of stock makes it a more attractive investment than any other form of investment. Unlike, let's say, real estate, you could just do it online on your mobile phone, on your computer, just like investing in cryptos. 5th point, ability to diversify the portfolio across industries to reduce risk and also hedge. You could put your money in multiple stocks across multiple industries, and hence you will reduce the risk. If one industry, let's say, is suffering because of, let's say, the economy or some government policy, you could still make money. you can own a tiny portion of the world's top companies. So be it Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, you could own a small portion, and they do the work, you make the money, because their objective is investors goodwill, investors in wealth appreciation. So they work for it day and night, and you make the money. 7, you can start small with very little investment. You could just invest in one stock. Let's see, Apple, 140 something, that's a current rate. So you could just put 140, let's say $150, and own one stock of Apple. So that's a great opportunity. 8, and the last point is that you can manage your investment from anywhere in the world, even when you're on vacation, because you could do it online, because you could do it through your mobile phone. That's a great advantage, isn't it? Now let's understand, the 5 tips that Warren Buffett gives often to investors. So when he or she is looking to investing in stock market. Now note, Warren Buffett is about 90 years old, and his net worth is $90 billion. It may have gone down slightly during this COVID period, but it's approximately there. So that's and his company, Berkshire Hathaway, it's one of the top companies in the world, whose the Class A share, used to trade at $250,000 per share. Today it's down, but that's what his company does. So his advice, his tips are super important. Now let's understand. He says that buy businesses and not stocks. Stocks are paper. So you look at investing in those great companies: Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple. So these are the companies these are businesses. They're real, great, strong, robust businesses. Second point, look at the company with sustainable competitive advantages. So obviously you will have to look at those which could withstand competition, those which have great leadership. I keep harping on this leadership term, even for cryptos. Those are the companies which will survive in the long term. So he's essentially talking about the long-term investment. Know that. Focus on long-term intrinsic value, not short-term earnings. So look at how companies can generate cash despite adversities, government policies, competition, whatever it is. Don't look at the short-term gains. Look at the long-term gains. How the company would grow and give back to you on your returns on your investments. 4th point, demand a margin of safety. So what he's trying to say is that, well, intrinsic value is great, but it may not always be possible to generate cash in the future because of business uncertainties. So you will have to enter at an opportune time, at a time when you would be able to manage or leverage a profit in the future. So the chances of that stock to go up, the price to go up, is significantly high. That's when you should enter in this thing. And the last thing is to be patient. So you must be patient. So what does patience mean? That you should not just invest for the short term. You should invest for the long term, and make sure that you are making money. So you are investing in those great companies. So that's what you should look at. So these are the 5 points that he gives us in terms of investment and worth taking note. I did a video on subscription of IPO yesterday. I'll put that in the card above. Go take a look at that video. So I hope this was useful to you and you would use this. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You would find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Please go ahead and connect with me. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant to try and find solutions to your business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges, please drop me a line on LinkedIn through message, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below. Then we can get into a conference call and see how we can work together. So, well, thank you very much once again. I hope you like this video. Please like, share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell. And also, please comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and I can base my next video on that. So until my next video, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.